Hey, I'm going around Little Am right now. Yes, I am going very slow so that you see one yard sign after another. All different names. A lot of these weren't even in business a year ago, 2 years ago. And if they were, they have changed names to a different name just because they are typically a DBA name. But it's amazing. I know that a lot of you are, if you're in the middle of the type of damage, it's truly a circus. If you need help just navigating through and making sure that, okay, if action needs to be done or not, please give Trinity a call. We got a great group of managers, and we're not here just hoping things, we can get a roof bought. It really is based on what the need is. And if there's a need, how we can take it off your shoulders as easy as possible and not have any surprises within that process. But again, if you're just wondering, if you have a need, give us a shout, 214-535-0888. We would love to serve your family.